This is shape search in native NX. I can select a part, open up the shape search dialog box, and note that because I selected it, the dialog box is pre-populated, and at this point I can hit Find Now. It found 3 items, and it's likely that the 3 items found are this one, and this one. If I bring up this body and then the shape search dialog, but change the nature of the search from part to body, and then use the rubber band select to print all of the bodies that make up this item, you can see there are 9 of them. What shape search can do is add them all together as though they were a single item and then do a search. And so you can see that the results have been found and their names are quite different. That is the power of shape search, not limited by names and how items have been filed.